If you're working in a project with others, you can keep track of what each of you are trying to be doing and by certain dates by using some of these inbuilt tools here. If we click on Insert, we can see we've got some Smartchips and Dropdowns and building blocks in here, and we're going to use a combination of these. We're going to start off with building blocks, and you've got some options in here: meeting notes, email draft, but product roadmap or review tracker. We can just click on this first one here, and we've got this simple table here. We can change the bits in here, so I was going to change these headings. So I've updated the table here, and we've got this inbuilt content here. If we just click on it, we can edit the options here. So you can change what these mean. And you can change the colors, so you might want to red, traffic light, that, whatever. You can add more options if you wanted to. Perhaps it's an idea that you would want to keep track that you've done, but you decided to do something with it. So I'm just going to give that a purple and click Save. So we've got this one here, and we've got these options in here. We can do that. And it was asking me if I wanted to do it to all of them, and I didn't, and I should have done. I should have applied it to all instances, but never mind, we can work on that. So now let's customize this, and I want to create a drop-down list here. So I'm going to come back to Insert, I'm going to create drop-down over here, and I want to create a new drop-down, and I'm going to call this Team Members, and I'm just going to put some names in here. And we change the name, colors again, we'll just ascribe colors, just do this randomly. Let's have that color there, click Save. Now I can copy that. And then the last thing we can do here is set the due date. So come back to here, Insert, Smartchip date, and I can choose a date. So let's say it's due by the 24th of August. Click OK. Put that in there. I've just pasted those in. We can edit these, so we can change this, make this one the 19th, and click on this one here and make this one again. Let's make this the 15th, and we've got that going. And again, we can just assign all of these to different people, and we can put the task in here, and it allows you to keep track of who's responsible and what's going on.